Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize build booking apps with FlutterFlow detailed guide step by step clearly. First, open FlutterFlow and log into your account. Create a new project or choose an existing one. Navigate to the Settings tab in the left sidebar. Click on the API section to start the authorization process. Here, you will need to select the type of authorization you want to implement. For this guide, we will use OAuth 2.0, a common method for authorizing apps. Click on the Add New API button. Fill in the required fields, such as name and description for your API. Locate the OAuth 2.0 documentation for the service you wish to integrate. Obtain the client ID and client secret from the service provider's developer portal. Once you have this information, return to FlutterFlow. Enter the client ID into the corresponding field. Next, input the client secret in the designated space. Set the authorization and token URLs as per the service documentation. Specify any additional scopes required for your app's functionality. Save your API settings after filling in all necessary fields. Now, navigate to your app's pages where you want to trigger the authorization. You can add a button that will initiate the OAuth flow. Select the button and go to the Actions tab. Choose API Call from the list of action types. Select the API you just configured from the drop-down menu. In the Operations section, choose Authorize. Set the redirect URL that the OAuth provider will customize any other parameters if needed, according to your app requirements. Save your changes and proceed to test the integration. Run your app in the preview mode to see how the authorization works. Click on the button to trigger the OAuth flow. You should be redirected to the authentication page of the service provider. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.